All right, we're frying onions, which are a major part of our corn chowder. And those are frying in the fat from the salt pork. And these are potatoes cut into really small pieces. That's the salt pork, which we fried, and fry it until it's very crispy so that it'll break up easy, because that's what we're going to do for the corn chowder. We have cream style corn, whole kernel sweet corn, and evaporated milk. Earlier, I fried some salt pork, which I fried it until it's pretty much rendered totally free of fat. And I fried the onions in that fat, by the way. And we just break it up in here so it's little pieces. You can put the rind in if you want to. I don't typically, but sometimes I do. It'll soften up anyway, if you do put it in. The reason I don't put it in is I snack on them. I actually weighed the salt pork. This is 3.3 ounces of salt pork before I cooked it. And I don't add any other salt, because this salt pork is going to make this corn chowder as salty as you could ever want it. Then you just mix all of that in, and we put it on the stove to heat. Our corn chowder is done. I added a little pepper to it while it was on the stove. And that's what this delicious chowder looks like. It's quick, it's easy, it's probably nutritious, but it's good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.